have a new governor. Fun little song, again filled with contrasting moments and interesting, starting with a pickup melody. So each time starting with a new pickup, you have to start with sort of a renewed energy, which is really interesting, I think, in my opinion. Anyway, I think it's a great choice for your ABRSM exam. Good luck with that. And if you need help, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.